There's a lot of reasons why Stephanie is a great partner on this. Stephanie's resume in terms of being a chef is really just as high a level as any chef in America. She, her restaurants in Chicago are renowned. If you haven't been to any of them, and actually Chicago, LA, sorry Stephanie, some other awesome places too. James Beard award winning, the Milligan family critique is 5-star. And then from a sort of television celebrity chef level, also just as decorated as you can be. First winner of Top Chef, first female winner of Top Chef. She is an Iron Chef. And I mean, if you've watched those shows, there is no BS there. I mean, that is real. And she is the highest level of those things. She continues to be all over the Food Network, doing all kinds of fun stuff. So just all those qualities of a chef. And then, again, like just for me, like she's a fun person. She's awesome, she's real. And so I'm talking to her, we're working together, developing this thing. It's not some, she's got some agents or whatever that are, I'm playing the telephone game with. So she's the greatest chef, and I'm working with a friend of mine to make something awesome. So it just couldn't be better. Another reason for starting to do collaborations, but really in this case, like reaching out to a real famous chef, for me personally, it was really an opportunity to be like, I want someone else's fresh opinions. I mean, we have always sort of gotten feedback from chefs, but not really just had the ground up build where I was really like, I just set my biases aside I don't remember anything that I thought was just like, oh, that's a train wreck, but like I went into it with the intention of, I want to make the best knife that Stephanie Izard could ever want to have. And so I really wanted to encourage her to have strong opinions and just, tell me everything she wanted in a knife that she wanted to have. And it's because I make knives, I could ask the right questions, I could filter what she was saying into what I think this is. So that is something we're doing in the future is I've been doing this for 28 years. I have my own ideas about how to make a knife, but I'm looking for sort of fresh input on things that I haven't thought of, or just to make me sort of consider things differently. And so this really worked out in an awesome way in that way.